In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your Epson EcoTank ET-3850. So let's get started over here. Press the home button once, then navigate using the right side arrow. Until you select settings, press OK. And now we need to go all the way down this menu until you see Restore Default Settings. Press OK. And now we can reset only the Wi-Fi. So if this was your issue, you can, it will preserve every other details, but reset the Wi-Fi only. Or if you want to completely fully reset the printer, select Clear All Data and Settings. Press OK. And as it says over here, clear all data and restore default settings. It may take several minutes. Continue, select yes, and then press OK. The printer at the end will shut down, will power on by itself, and it will be like brand new. You'll have to set it up again from the beginning. If this video was helpful, please take a moment, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and if you have a bit more time, check my Amazon links down below. Every time you purchase through them, I get a small commission and it helps my channel grow. Thanks again and have a beautiful day.